Hey, what? Ow. Oh, hi. There's somebody down there. Wait, what do you want? Hey. Oh, that's my chicken. You were a mean chicken. What? Hey, what are you guys doing? Stop. Man, poor Token. Token isn't doing too good. Oh! Jolene! You're sitting on an egg! I think Jolene's sitting on an egg. Stop. It's our favorite chicken. Basically, long story short, what? What are you doing? Alright, let me sit the camera down and let me start talking. Sit over here. Basically, long story short, one of our chickens passed away sadly. She was our favorite. Buried her back there with Callie. Her name was Sweetie. I think she had a brain problem because she acted very weird, but she was so nice. She was a good chicken. Well, I think she had a brain problem because she sadly passed away one day just randomly. She was pretty healthy, so she might have had a brain problem. Yeah, it was sad, but she was even our favorite.